In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to integrate Twilio with Freshsales CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Freshsales like you usually would, and also a copy of your Twilio account. Then from here, you need to go over to this plus icon after you logged into your account and go down to sales activities and go down to send SMS. This is the quickest way to do this. Then from here, you need to add in a SMS provider. Then from here, you'll see three options: Twilio, ClickSend, and ZipWhip. For this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Twilio, so let's just click on that. Then from here, you'll need two things. You'll need an account SID and you'll need authenticator token. And to get those, you need to go into Twilio Cloud Communication. And then from here, when you're logged into your account, you can either go into the one you already have, or you can create a new one over here. So let's create a new one. That takes roughly 30 seconds. So let's call this test 1. And what will this account be used for? This will be used for Twilio. Then you need to click continue. Then you'll see down here the billing country, and here you need to select the specific country that you are in currently and you want to add the billing address to. Then from here, you just need to click create new account like so. Then from here, you can take a couple minutes to make or create this account. Then from here, you need to answer those questions here, the onboarding questions. Let's just do this really quick. Direct brand, developer, with code, verification, SMS. And as you can see now, that is done. You simply need to scroll down on the For You page. Then from here, you'll see under account information, you'll see the account SID and authenticator token. Then from here, you can just copy this, go over to Freshsales and paste it in like so. The authenticator token, copy it and paste it. Then you can authenticate it like so. Then you need to add in the number for the specific SMS provider. So you can just write in your own personal number or the one you got with Twilio and then click save. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!